Hey guys, John with Reveiw Alliance. Up here on a fishing trip with my family up at Woods Canyon Lake, and I purchased this from Home Depot. It's a Wind 2000 watt inverter generator. They're a super quiet model. It's running right now as I'm making this video. It's supposed to be something like 61 dBs, but I thought I'd shoot a quick video, show you the generator and use it. I'm using it to charge my marine battery for my John boat, but this would be like the I don't know, like unboxing initial review of this, and then we'll kind of do keep tabs with it, you know, on a long-term basis to see how well this thing operates, because it is a cheap Chinese generator. It was stickered at $431, and I can tell you this much: their final quality control isn't that great on the appearance, because the plastic case here was already broken when it got shipped to the store. I didn't have time to sit there and send it back and wait 5 days for a new one to show up, because I was getting ready to leave on this trip. So anyways, initial introduction to the Wind 2000 watt inverter generator you can get at Home Depot for $431. Let's see if it's worth the $431, or I would have been better off to spend $1,000 on the Honda. Time will tell.